Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. Let's see today how to draw parts of cam and follower. Before that, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.